Okay, I started videoing.
Because
Jet
bro,
engine.
I almost caught on fire. I almost caught on fire.
Man, you need to move back.
Man, I got
No, you need to like go sideways or something. Okay? Only when I tell you give it more air, you give it more air. Let's give it some oil. But the thing is, I don't have that tube for the oil.
Yo, please. Can we find a way to move it forward, Troy? Or better yet, make it point upwards? Yeah, can we?
This way.
Or maybe point this way.
You can't touch it, it's very hot.
Dude, yalla started.
Something, I guess.
Leave it, we'll start it again. Ahmed, you light on.
Yo, man, get a fucking bucket of water. Shit, I'm fucking scared.
No, she's leaking. I think that's the fuel.
No, it's the oil, it's the
The oil?
oil. Blow it. Wait, go, see? Wait, what?
Muhammad, don't put it next to the tree, you dick. Oh shit!
Want more air?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Shit!
Flame went out.